The following video is an example of what you can do with Salesforce.com. The Interlead data service, which will be collecting oil and gas wells and Spud wells for Texas, and the analytics cloud within Salesforce. What I have here is a dashboard. In the analytics cloud, the concept is the dashboard is dynamic. So we've got the ability in the dashboard to control some things. So I'm looking right now at wells drilled since the beginning of 2017. When I come over here on the dates, I can come in and I can say, well, really what I'm interested in are wells drilled since the beginning of October to the current date. And then that gives me an example, and I can just update that. And now we've seen a change in the records on who's active. The other thing, when we look at the Texas data, the Texas Railroad Commission breaks things out into districts, and it gives us kind of a geographic reference that we're looking for. So, and we can see here over that time frame, here's a breakdown of the well spud in the different districts. So I might be interested in District 1. So I can select one, and now what I've done is I've broken down, here are all the major players since the beginning of October, all the players, producers since the beginning of October in that particular geographic district. And then we can break it down even a little bit further. I can look at towns or counties. So let's say that I'm interested in LaSalle specifically. I can click in here, and now I've broken it down and narrowed it down to the major producers in the LaSalle area. I can look over here and I can say to myself, what are the wells that they're drilling? Are they horizontal? Are they vertical? Are they gas? Are they oil? Are they gas and oil? And then I can break it down by specific producer. So I could come in here and say, well, I'm interested in what E&P Energy is doing specifically, and I can narrow down on E&P Energy. So what I see with E&P Energy for District 1 is they're drilling in the two counties, LaSalle and DeMette, and then I can see the towns that they're going in, the type of wells, and these are oil or gas wells on that side of it. So if I'm interested in doing market planning and saying I want to target the top producers in a specific district, in a specific area, using the sales cloud or the sales analytics cloud from Salesforce, and as well as the sales cloud and our oil and gas data, you can see how we can narrow down, get focused, and put our sales plans together.